Hi guys, welcome to another video clip of mrlopezclasses.com. Today we are going to continue with the analysis of the oil sample. And now we are going to analyze other important element when you receive the report of the oil sample and you try to analyze the element with high content. We are going to check copper. What happened with copper? Okay, copper is located in plain bearings, in heat exchangers, plain bearings, both of them in copper or babbitt, and the aluminum, the pistons in aluminum. Okay, what of those elements have the high content of copper? Okay, the plain bearings, in copper bearings, 85% of those bearings is pure copper, all right? In the plain bearings of babbitt, 5%, and also in the heat exchanger, more than 70% of the heat exchanger is pure copper. Okay, we are going to analyze the plain bearings in copper. And once again, the symptom is low oil pressure. The pressure of the oil decreased dramatically, and the NOx sensor is activated. And those are the codes: 325, 326, 327, and 332. Okay, other element with high content of copper is the heat exchanger. You remember the famous copper alloys, 9010 or 7010. Okay, what is the symptom when the heat exchanger have problems? When the heat exchanger is wear, okay, is a high engine temperature, the temperature of the engine increased dramatically. Probably the heat exchanger is clogged and you have lack of raw water. And of course, if you have high temperature, immediately the power goes down. Those are the consequences, those are the symptoms when you have a heat exchanger in copper nickel and you have high content of copper in the oil sample. Okay, and other element with high content is on the pistons. The aluminum pistons, the pistons in aluminum, they have 1.5% of copper. That's incredible, no? All right. What is the symptom when you have wear on the pistons? Of course, loss of power, low compression, of course, and what happens if you have wear on the pistons? Probably the oil penetrates the combustion chamber and you have blue smoke. Blue smoke, low compression, and loss of power. High content of copper because the pistons in aluminums are wear. Okay, this is the analysis of copper when you have high content of copper in the oil sample analysis.